Ayan mga kaibigan, oh. Naghulahop kami ni Agoy-Agoy palambutan ng baywang to. O sige, go. Your turn.
Can you do that?
Yeah, I know that.
No, not like that. You have to do it back. Backwards.
Si CJ. Oh, CJ's turn. CJ's turn. Sige. Sige, CJ. Ka na.
Done. My turn. Come
Well,
on.
just let him play for now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay,
My turn.
good job, CJ. Okay, Kishana's turn.
Mommy,
Alright.
you have to do this.
Sige, sige.
You have to do this.
I can't do the back now. That's too short. Okay.
It's like that. No. It's like this.
Try natin maghulahop. Oh,
Hey.
don't try that. CJ, put that back,
I'm
please.
getting it.
Oh, ano na lang. Oh.
Hey! Hey! See? That's why. No! It's like Usher.
CJ, you don't bend it. Kishana, put away the pillow first. Put away the pillow.
Hey!
Put away the pillows.
You're ruining my time.
Put away the pillow.
It's my turn. My turn.
Oh, my turn? Your turn? Okay, sige. Sige, CJ. Put away the pillows.
I can't.
You gotta put away the pillows, guy. Ah, yun.
Yeah!
Okay, my turn. Okay, CJ, jump. Jump. Then turn. Not jumping on the thing. Ano ba? Sige, ano? Sige, jump.
Done!
Get, jump.
Done!
Jump. With your feet, jump. Then turn.
Done!
Turn.
Done!
Jump. There you go. Then turn. Jump. Nice. Good. Okay, you do it na. Ikaw na. Sige. Jump. Yeah. Alright, guy. Come on. You didn't put the pillow good. You didn't put the pillow good. Maliit lang siya. Okay, kay Shana's turn sa ano. Magaling si Agoy-Agoy, mga kaibigan. Okay, come on. Magaling si Agoy-Agoy eh. Okay. Pakita mo yung galing mo, Goy. Sige. Done? Sige. No, do the hula hoop here. Dito ba? Dito ba? Yung ganun, oh. Good job! Galing! Sige. Wow! Oh, from top. From top down. Okay. Sige. Okay. Ako. Okay, sige. Oops. Okay, my turn. My turn, go. Maliit lang siguro to, no? Kaya hindi ano. Okay, go. Cup. Thank you, CJ. Hello mga kaibigan, kumusta sa inyo? Naglaro lang kami sa mga bulilit. Sige, go.
That's my turn.
Sige, ganito na naman, Goy. Try this one, Goy. Excuse me ba? How about it?
Oh, yeah. See, you can't do it. Let me. Oh, Lord.
Sige, try your hands. Do that. You can do your... Sige, try the feet. Ganon sa hands, ganon sa kamay, pero sa... Daplinta kay mga igo ta diha. Na. Okay, my turn. Okay, let's see G's turn. CJ's turn. CJ's turn.
Dad.
CJ, jump. Wait, he just hold it. Sige, jump. Okay. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. Sige, hula hop. Sige. 1, 2, sige, hula hop. Na, bush. Sige na. Okay, CJ, sister's turn now. CJ's turn. Ati's turn. We take turns. Okay, come on. Sige na. Oh. Okay. You don't break it. You want to go to bed now? Are you ready for bed? You want a nap? Okay. Jump, go ahead. Jump. No, nag-agawa na sila. Okay, here's CJ's. Let CJ play. If you're gonna keep grabbing it, then Nick's gonna break. Okay, let him do the turn. Oh, sige. CJ, huwag mong dalhin doon. Stay right here. No. Stay right here. Hello sa inyong lahat. Magandang umaga, gabi. Okay. O, sige. Ikaw na po. Wow. Keep going, Goy. That's how it works. Oh. Good job. Perfect now. Daplin, kaya matamaan ka. Daplin. Wait lang. Actually, ang batotang malaki. Say hi to your friends lang muna. Say hi, my friends. Naunsa naman ni. Ay, okay. It's his turn now. Come on. Okay, we're gonna share. Okay, my turn na lang. Okay. Try natin to. Ako muna, my turn muna. Wait. CJ's turn. CJ pa. Wala pa si CJ. Oh. Si CJ muna. After 5 seconds. 1. Keep going. 2. 2. 3. 4. 5. Agoy's turn. 5. Okay. Wala na. Live na. Okay, you wanna go nap? I think you're tired. I think tired si Don Julio. Tired man si Don Julio siguro. Mainit kasi sa labas kapag lalabas sila, hindi na lang kami lalabas mga kaibigan. Grabe kainit. Oh, naunsa lang is man. Ay, nadagila. CJ. Okay, sorry, sunod. Okay, quiet. Okay, Don. Hi. O, sige mga kaibigan, bye-bye na lang. Ingat na lang kayo dyan.